Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome back. We're back in the wonderful Holme Valley of West Yorkshire. We're up in the top end of it today. We've come up to look at the Yateholme Reservoirs. This one here is actually Ramsden Reservoir. That's a well-known name around here. Just about everything seems to be named after Ramsden. Today's walk is about 3.5 miles, something like that. We're going to be going up to the village of Holme and then winding our way back down through the valley and past some more reservoirs and back to the car. So, should be a good one. We're starting off at the car park just outside of a village called Holmebridge, making our way up the side of the valley to the village of Holme. So, should be a good one. Why don't you come and join me? Let's go see what we can find. Yeah, the water supply in the area's pretty bad because only the other week Yorkshire Water announced a hosepipe ban, which usually means there's not much water. Anywho, won't affect us today on our walk, so let's get cracking. Why don't we have a look at the route on the map? Our walk today starts at the small car park next to Ramsden Reservoir, just up the valley from Holmebridge village. We cross over the dam and make our way along the path up to the village of Holme. From Holme village we drop down into Rake Dyke, then climb up through the fields to the main track. We follow the track back down the valley. We pass Yateholme Reservoir and Riding Wood Reservoir along the way. Very soon we're back at the car park and journey's end. Ah, it's Fly City. Ooh, land of a million flies. Nah, only joking. We're dropping down into a little ravine here, and it's actually part of the stream network that feeds into the River Holme. Hey, we've got our first style action of the day. Here we go, look, and there's a portal for dogs. They get sucked into another dimension. Oh yes. Ah, there we go. I just spoken to 4 young people. They were doing the Duke of Edinburgh Award. Oh God, that made me feel very old because I did mine when I was 21 or 2. I can't remember exactly, but it's 40 odd years ago. It was a different Duke of Edinburgh in those days as well. It was Prince Philip, and now I believe it's William. Prince William is now the Duke of Edinburgh. So yeah. Okay, we're going up this little snickety place here. Feel like I'm in another gully. Okay, check the clunk. Not bad. Oh, nice view from here. Way up there, that's Ramsden Clough. You can see the beehive cairn as well. And we're coming up here now to Holme Village. Ah, here we are in Holme Village. And this is the famous Fleece Inn at Holme Village. And we're dropping back down again now. Nice gate action here. Look at this. Here we have an iconic shed. I photographed this shed before in the autumn. If I can dig the picture out, I'll put it on the screen now. Plenty of gate action at the moment. Nice gate, look at that. So, another little bridge. It's only a small one, very cute though. Not sure I don't prefer this one. Silly old man huffing and puffing up the hill. At least we've got some steps to go up this time. Oh, yeah, it's been hot this weekend, but come out a bit later today, and it's clouded over, so it's not quite as hot. It's still a bit sticky though. Oh dear. Hope you're enjoying the video, guys. You know what's coming. If you are enjoying it, please drop me a like down below. Smash that thumbs up button, 2025 style. You know what I'm saying. And if you're really enjoying it, please consider subscribing. That would be great. And I would love to welcome you aboard the channel if I can catch my breath. So, okay, we're just gonna come out of this bit of wood now, cross over another stile, and we're into the open fields. And I think there's some cows just here as well. Yeah, style action. Whew. Whew. Oh yeah, there they are. Oh yeah, loads of flies. Fly city. But there's my coos. I think they're drinking at a stream. Oh, they're all over. Go away, you buggers. Oh, there he is. Hey, pal. Oh, God, he's got a swarm of flies around him. Yeah, it's that kind of weather because it's a bit humid, close, and warm. I think flies are inevitable. Oh. Just looking back, that's Holme Village where we've just come from. We're going up here now, going on to, there's a track just at the top here. I can see Ramsden Clough and the wonderful beehive cairn. Don't let anybody tell you that's not what it's called, because that's its name. That's what it's popularly known as in the Holme Valley, the beehive cairn. What a glorious view down the Holme Valley. You can see all the way into Holmfirth, and there's Emily Moor Mast over to the right in the distance on the horizon. Ooh, a little hint of a breeze now. That's very welcome. I think this is probably the highest point on the walk today. Not sure how high it is, but I'll find out, and I'll put the elevation on the screen now. Probably just down there. Okay, so we're gonna wind our way down here. All downhill from here, guys, all downhill from here. Now just down there, in the bottom of that dip, that's called Netherley Clough. And I've got some photographs that I took one autumn a few years ago. I'll dig them out and I'll put one on the screen now. We're in the forest now. Oh, there's a nice welcome breeze blowing through this gap in the trees. Yeah, getting hot. Too many flies, too many flies. Well guys, we're nearly back at the car, just round this corner, about 100 metres or so, and we're back. So I'm going to sign off there. I really do hope you've enjoyed the video. It's been great having you along for the ride, as always. Yeah, it's not been bad. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening now, so certainly cooled down quite a bit. And there's a breeze, so everything's cool, and I mean cool. I hope you've enjoyed the walk. Hope you've enjoyed being along for the ride, as I always say. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now, guys. Bye.